Alright gents, how's it going? It's been a long time. It's been a very long time. We're back on the bike. Spring is here. And this is the first ride after however many months, man. I don't know, it's been a long time coming. But yeah, we just cleaned all the bike up, as you might have seen in the last video. Back on the road. Obviously this whole coronavirus lockdown thing's going on, but Visor Down apparently asked the cabinet office and said, are people allowed to go on solo motorbike rides? And they said yeah, that's completely fine. So here we are. Just make sure this quick shifter still works. Yep, still works. Just get some air in these tyres, make sure they're adequately filled up, because they do deflate if the bike's been sat for a while. So get this sorted. So yeah, we're back on the road, just going for a chilled out ride today. First ride after a while on the bike, so we're not doing anything too crazy, just getting used to being back on the bike. But anyway, I hope everyone's been well. Let me know what you've been up to. Of course, we've got the whole summer coming up now, so plenty of rides coming up, Peak District stuff. Hopefully another YouTuber collab video with Evolution and Xylage, if we can get those guys up. So it should be good. What the hell is going on here? Wow. But yeah, I mean, apart from that, what I've been up to, just normal stuff really. Obviously it's been winter, we've had storms here in the UK, so we've not been able to ride. You know, I've just started a new job recently, so I've been busy with all that. And just life, I suppose. Hopefully now, getting into the weekends, should get some better weather. Be out on the bike more. But we'll see how it goes. So just thought we'd have a quick ride out to Hollingworth Lake. See what's going on. Still quite a lot of bikers here, to be honest, even though restaurants and pubs are closed. Check out the lake. Oh, beautiful day. Always nice riding out to there. Oh man, I miss being back on the bike. There's loads of guys out today. You alright lads, how you doing? You enjoying the weather, yeah? I'm alright man. What is this? 320. It's alright man. It's 600. Yeah. It's quick man. It's got a quick shifter, so it's like DSG. Yeah. I'll show you down here. You're not self-isolating then? This was always my favourite little tunnel when I used to have the R125. used to love that little bit. Horses. Chilling, as they do. Anyway guys, that's just been a little video of me tootling around, getting back on the bike. Got a few test rides coming soon as well, so look out for those. And yeah, I hope everyone's kind of enjoying the weather, riding safe though. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.